Hello, and welcome to the HSEbox.com channel. This video is part of a series of videos dedicated to simplifying the study for the Nebosh exam, or just to remember some international concepts related to health and safety at work. We take the opportunity to inform you that we do not represent nor intended to represent any institution linked to Nebosh certification. Please, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. We are happy to help you. As a safety professional, you should review this video once in a while, which would help you to keep fresh the most important core information for your daily roles, activity, and responsibilities. So let's get started. Element 1, Foundation in Health and Safety. What is an accident?
An unwanted, unplanned event that results in a loss of some kind.
What is an incident or near miss?
An unwanted, unplanned event that had the potential to result in a loss.
What is a hazard?
Something with the potential to cause harm.
What is risk?
The likelihood that harm will occur and the severity of the harm.
Why manage health and safety?
There are three major reasons why an employer should manage health and safety in the workplace: moral, legal, and financial.
The main goal is to
reduce accidents, reduce loss through damage to equipment, reduced absenteeism, reduced insurance premiums, improved morale, improved company reputation, reduced fines, reduced compensation claims, increased likelihood of securing business.
What is the difference between civil and criminal law?
Civil: to compensate an injured party for loss as a consequence of an accident or ill health. Criminal: to punish and deter individuals/organizations from behaving in a way that society has decided is unacceptable.
Fault liability.
There was a duty of care owed to the injured party. The duty of care was breached. Negligence: the breach caused injury or loss.
What must an employer provide?
Safe place of work and safe access and egress. Safe systems of work. Safe plant and equipment. Information, instruction, training and supervision. Safe and competent fellow workers.
What are the hidden costs of accidents?
Lost time, extra wages, overtime payments, temporary workers, sick pay, fines, legal costs, claims, damage to equipment, repairs to plant and equipment, production delays, loss of contracts, increased insurance premiums, loss of business reputation.
Why there are some variations of legislation between countries?
The principal reasons that create some variation in the legislation between countries are different legal systems, different standards of legislation and enforcement, different penalties for breaches, religious and cultural issues, knowledge of enforcement bodies, funding of enforcement staff, degree of monitoring/reporting to enforcement authorities, political pressure.
What are the principal sources of information organizations should use?
The sources of information are internal and external.
Internal.
Regarding internal information can be used, for example, risk assessments, policies, inspection reports, medical records, health and safety committees, plant registers, safety advisors.
External.
Government bodies, national safety organizations, Suppliers and manufacturers. International standards. Consultants and specialists. Insurance companies.
What are the most important steps to have in place a successful management system?
To maintain a successful health and safety management system in place, the organization needs to ensure is following these simple 6 steps.
1. Policy.
Health and safety aims of the organization. Health and safety objectives. And management commitment.
2. Organizing.
Competence. Commitment and control. Cooperation. Communication.
3. Planning and implementation.
Identify hazards. Assess risks, and decide how risks can be eliminated or controlled. Set standards against which performance can be measured.
4. Measuring performance.
Be used as a means of determining the extent to which health and safety policy and objectives are being implemented, and should be both reactive and proactive.
5. Reviewing.
Analyzing data gathered through monitoring to see whether performance is adequate.
6. Audit.
Systematic critical examination of each stage of an organization's management systems and procedures.
If you missed some information, you can review this video again, or just follow the link below in the description, and you can download all information for free on our website www.hsebox.com. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe our channel, and give us your thumb up. Tell us your opinion. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you soon.